Hello guys, so I've been using Course Creator 360 for a while now, and honestly, it's been a game changer for how I manage and build my courses. If you're looking for a platform that's truly all-in-one, especially if you sell digital products, coaching, or education alongside a Shopify store, Course Creator 360 is worth checking out because it removes a lot of the technical friction that usually slows creators down. What stood out to me right away was how much it saves me time and money. Instead of juggling multiple tools like Kajabi, ClickFunnels, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or Zapier, this platform bundles pretty much everything you need into one place. That means course building, email marketing, automation, and even community features are all built in and work smoothly together, which is huge because you're not constantly worrying about integrations breaking or data not syncing properly. The interface is surprisingly user-friendly, which is important because not everyone has a tech background, including me. Everything is laid out in a way that makes sense, even if this is your first time building funnels or digital products. They offer a simple bootcamp that got me up to speed fast, and anytime I had questions, the support team was really on it. I remember Ray helping me personally, walking me through some Zoom setup and other features, and it made a big difference because the process felt less overwhelming and more doable step by step. It's clear they have real people ready to assist you quickly, and that kind of support isn't something you find everywhere, especially with software platforms. Another thing I appreciate is the automation. It's taken so much off my plate by handling repetitive tasks like follow-up emails, customer onboarding, and course access, which saves me hours every day and lets me focus more on content and growth. I also like the pre-made templates they provide. It's plug and play, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you want to launch something new, whether that's a mini course, a full program, or a lead magnet. The platform even handles client management, billing, invoices, and website design, which makes it incredibly convenient to run an entire business from one dashboard. This is especially helpful if you're running a Shopify store and want to add courses or digital offers without managing separate systems. Now, like anything, there was a bit of a learning curve in the beginning, especially if you're new to building websites or funnels. But the training and live support really helped me push through that and feel confident using the tools. I've seen other folks mention this too, and the company seems committed to improving onboarding to make it even smoother for new users. Honestly, once you get past that initial hump, the power and flexibility of the platform really shine, especially when you start customizing automations and workflows to match your business. The community and team behind Course Creator 360 are also worth mentioning. They're responsive, generous with their time, and genuinely invested in helping creators succeed, which makes the whole experience feel more collaborative. From my experience, it's not just about selling software. They want to see you grow, and that shows in their live trainings and ongoing support, where they actually walk through real use cases and strategies. Overall, I'd say Course Creator 360 is an excellent choice if you want to simplify your workflow, save money, and have a reliable, all-in-one solution that grows with your business as your audience and offers expand. For me, it took the headache out of managing multiple tools and gave me confidence that support is just a click away whenever I need it. It's definitely become an essential part of how I run my courses and marketing today, and it's something I wish I had when I was just getting started.